Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today we are going to talk about why the iPhones are so much expensive compared to the Android phones, where you can see for the similar price bracket you get much more specs for the Android phone. So please watch this particular video guys, and let's get started. The prime reason why iPhones are so much expensive is because everything just works and the software is much more polished compared to Android, and even the design philosophy of the build quality and the materials which are used are much more better than Android phones in general like this. And you can see there are much more people who are opting for such kind of phones, and usually there is a sort of this high standard comparison of the particular iPhones with something like celebrities. You must have seen celebrities and all, they always use an iPhone. Security is one of the top most priority. Also guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit that particular like button, and also share this particular video with your friends and family. And also one of the reasons why iPhones are generally more expensive is because the top level softwares like Adobe and all, they are also available on Android, but mostly they are working better on the iPhone. So this is one of the reasons like professionals usually choose to use an iPhone as their primary daily device. Also the price, once their iPhone is launched, their price will remain fixed for a couple of months, but that's not the case with the Android phone. And the cost of research and development which goes in manufacturing, the iPhones are much more higher. Like for example, the Pro Max and the Pro iPhone 12 Pro, they come up with something called as surgical grade stainless steel at the sides, which is is much more harder material to scratch, and something like shatterproof glass. So one of the reason it makes the cost of development and manufacturing very high. So definitely this is one of the reason why the Android is much more cheaper compared to iPhones, and iPhones are much more expensive. Also the best quality and the warranty which you provide and the customer support which you get with Apple is next is the best, I would say. And there are the Apple stores which you can check out, and the one of the Apple store is there in Bangalore. So they have these very big buildings and all glass and all, and definitely this Apple store drives the price very high guys. And definitely once you try to sell a particular iPhone, you'll be definitely getting a more resale value compared to the Android counterparts. Also the app stores which are there, the qualities of the apps which are there, it is much more expensive, just to maintain and just to update the software, etc. And iPhones usually get a regular software update, like almost after every month you are going to get a security patch, and the security is next to none. And it is much more secured compared to somewhat like Android. So that also drives the cost of the iPhones very high. Then we have something called as iMessage, the FaceTime and FaceTime audio, etc. The cost is very high due to this. Also one of the reason why people usually tend to divert towards iPhone are because of the cameras. If you can see, this is having one of the best glass leading cameras, and you cannot compare in terms of video. At least you can see over here, it is less shaky and it got this optical image stabilization, but the videos are much more crisper, and especially the auto focusing is the best compared to any other phones on the planet. You can just compare even the camera sizes. What you can see over here, the camera sizes are definitely much more bigger compared to the Android. And this is one of the reason definitely like celebrities or the professional, they try to go for the iPhone just for the cameras. For example guys, this particular video is being shot with an iPhone, and if you like this kind of things, please hit that like button. And one of the reason which I personally like is this kind of stabilization which you have it, and also you can directly edit the particular video in the app itself. this is one of the reason why I like it. Another reason would be the seamless integration between Apple's own devices. Like if you have multiple iPhones and all, like for example, if my iPhone is ringing, definitely at the same time, if I'm connected with the same Apple ID, my iPhone 12 mini would also ring. So I can take that particular call on either on iPhone 11 or the 12 mini. So this is one of the fantastic feature. Also, if I'm connected to my Mac, I can take the call too. In terms of fitness, this is what we get. The Apple Health, it is one of the best app which is available in terms of fitness. If you are a fitness freak or enthusiast who like to go for everyday work or try to tracking the fitness and all, and this app is much more useful. Then we have the fast A14 Bionic chipset or the Apple's processor. They are much more faster compared to the Android phones which is available in the market. If you check the Antutu benchmark, etc., they are much more faster in terms of benchmark and also real time performance, because your Android phone might be having something like 10 GB or 12 GB RAM, but it will not outperform somewhat one of the Pro Max phones which is also running on the 6 GB of RAM. So this is what I like. So thanks for watching, guys, and please make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel for this kind of awesome videos, and make sure you check out, if you like iPhone related videos, please check out our other videos also. And thanks for watching this particular video, guys, and see you in my next video.